Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Getcontact and confirming which account or app store is billed. Once you know the Apple ID or Google account, go straight to the subscriptions area so you don't chase the wrong record. If you used a card on the website, sign in to Getcontact. Make sure you're on the same device and network where purchases were made. This avoids hidden accounts and saves time while locating the active premium subscription. Next, perform the cancellation in the correct place. On iPhone, tap Settings, your name, Subscriptions, find Getcontact and hit Cancel. You'll keep access until the period ends. On Android, open Play Store, Profile, Payments and Subscriptions, then cancel Getcontact there. If you subscribed on the Getcontact website, sign in, go to Account or Billing, and cancel the plan. Once done, check for a confirmation email, or finally, confirm cancellation by checking your account status and inbox for a confirmation message. Make sure the renewal date shows no active plan. If charges continue, contact the App Store or Google Play support first because they handle payments. Otherwise, contact Getcontact Billing with your receipt. If you need a refund, gather purchase details and request it promptly, explaining dates and evidence. If something goes wrong, retry sign-in. Double-check the correct account, and then escalate with support to resolve remaining charges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.